This jump demonstration shows how to fit a neural network model. We're using the recovery dataset. Half the data will be used for model fitting or training, 25% for validation, and 25% for testing. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Predictive Modeling, Neural. Percent recovered is the Y. Incoming quality through valve 19 pressure are the X variables. The validation column is already assigned to the validation role because it has a pre-selected role. I'll click OK. In the model launch, I'll tell JMP Pro that I'd like to fit a model with 4 hyperbolic tangent activation functions and 1 linear activation function. Then I'll click Go. This model has an R² of about 80% on the training set and about 72% on the validation set. Remember to use the validation fit statistics for model comparison. From the red triangle, you can ask for the actual by predicted plot or the profiler. To fit a model with 2 hidden layers, let me first close these open reports. I'll open the model launch outline and then enter, say, 10 hyperbolic tangent functions in the second layer. Then I'll click Go. Performance for this model is worse on the validation set. The R² value is lower than the model with 1 hidden layer.